Hey guys, welcome back to Calgary Music Tutor. Today we're doing still more on page 9, and let's just get into it. In Alfred's book. Okay, so it's it's a 3-4 movement, so we just gotta clap 1, 2, 3. All of it is quarter notes, so you can already guess how it's supposed to sound. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now let's just get into the song. So I'm going to do it slow so you can understand. And you can always look back to page 8 to see what the notes are. So it goes like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.